So when you are staying in Kuta, there are two things you cannot miss. One is the sunset or the sunrise at the beach, and second will be the nightlife. So hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to be taking you to a beautiful sunset experience at the very famous Kuta beach here in Bali, and also be showing you what are the things you will be getting near the beach. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video, and if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So the beach from here is almost around 1.6 kilometers, and I will be booking a grab right over here, as you can see. So basically it will take me around 10 minutes time to reach the Kuta beach from here, and that's because it's in Kuta and within the locality itself, so I don't need to wear a helmet according to what the driver insists. So let's go and enjoy the beautiful sunset at the Kuta beach. Come on. Kuta beach area is one of the most bustling places here at Bali, and before I show you around, let me just take you to the beach first and show you the vibe right there, and we will also be experiencing the sunset right over there. So come on, let's go. So this is the main entrance for the beach, as you can see. And the sunset is just going to happen within a few minutes time. You can see there are two big statues out here. I guess these are statues of a fish which became monster. I don't know the exact story, by the way, but something like that. And you can see people are jogging around, walking. There are places to do diving also. Wow, just look at the beach. Chairs all around. You can take a seat, enjoy the sunset and relax at the beach with the coconut water or some cold beverages. And this is the Kuta beach. As you can see, it's like one of the most happening beaches here at Bali. Let me just go down. Yeah. And there is also a statue right over there, as you can see, a big statue. It's not that far from where I'm staying, by the way, 10 minutes ride. I'm staying at the German beach, where I also did a video of the sunset view, and that is right over there straight. There is also a statue, you can see right over there is the German beach, so you can also check that out. It's in my channel itself, the sunset view of the German beach. Well, this is, as I have already told you, is one of the most happening beaches here in Bali. Along with this, you can also go to Canggu and Seminyak, and there are a lot of sports activities that you can do in this beach. You can go for the jetty rides, you can go for the bamboo boats, and there are much more than that also. Some are doing some paragliding also here. So these are the fun activities which you can do along with swimming. Well, one thing which is very popular here at Bali and also in the Kuta beach is surfing. There are a lot of people, as you can see, are doing surfing also right over there, and there are a lot of setups here, as let me just show you, for surfing. Just check it out. Almost everyone is having surfing boats here at this beach. And this is a place where you can also learn surfing from. They have some trainers also, definitely. And you can see everything is detailed over here. Well, if you are in search of a beach where there will always be full of crowd and partying happening here and there, then Canggu, Seminyak and Kuta beach are your top priorities definitely. But if you want a laid back beach where there isn't much crowd but still there is a beautiful vibe to enjoy, then you can definitely opt for the German beach. You can check the video of it in my YouTube channel itself. It's in the Bali playlist, by the way. I did a sunset video of the beautiful German beach, which is located within 10 to 15 minutes range from the Denpasar airport. I hope you're going to love that one. So right over here you can see the logo of the Kuta beach, and this is one of the places where it's always jam-packed with people to get a photo from. And just look at the sunset happening. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So I hope you guys loved the sunset, and let me just show you what are the things that you are going to get when you are staying at this particular place here at Bali. So first of all, let me tell you, the beach is very long and it actually goes from here till the dead end of the road. Actually, it's almost around 10 minutes walk from here. But let me just cover the major places. Right on the right hand side where the main attractions are, actually the main hotels and the setups are. So right over here is the Kuta logo, which I've just shown you within a few minutes back, and we are walking in towards the city center hub, the main Kuta square. On the left hand side you can see there are options for ADV rides in Ubud, along with some beautiful adventure activities which you can do. You can book from this particular stall here. There is a beautiful gate, as you can see, the one which is very common here in Bali. And I guess this is a parking lot area, so if you're coming by car or by bike, you can park your cars and bikes here. I hope they have a minimum parking fees here. Hello. So we're moving forward. There are stores for SIM card, as you can see it on the left hand side. And on the beach there are a few stores from where you can actually buy some food and have them on the beach itself. The parking lot here is made for the bikes, as you can see, and I guess there are more than 500-600 bikes at the moment right now. So I hope you can understand how busy the Kuta beach actually is. On the left hand side there is a tattoo parlor, and I guess that is a bar cum restaurant on the left hand side. It's quite big, as you can see. It's written Warung Sisi Mata. The setup is quite big. The entire area is actually the bar section, along with the kitchen and all, etc. So we're moving forward. In front you can see there is another place to have some good food from, and this is major, but this is actually the heart or the Kuta square, as they call it actually. So we are moving forward right now, and let me just give you one small information here, that I hope you can understand the number of people who are here present at the beach. The bikes are all parked here. I've told you it's more than 500-600 already. So this is one of the most busiest beaches here at Bali, along with Canggu and Seminyak. So if you want to enjoy an evening just like a beach where there are a lot of people around enjoying sports activities and enjoying the bar and food and all, etc., and if you want to be a part of a very happening nightlife kind of a scene, then Kuta, Seminyak and Canggu are the places where you should stay at. But if you are not that person, if you want a laid back kind of a scene, then trust me, I have one beach for you. That is the German beach, which is just 10 to 15 minutes from the airport, Denpasar. I have been there. I have also made a dedicated video on the German beach, a sunset video I have made. You can always check that out. It's in my playlist. That is one of the places which are much more quiet and kind of like less happening, but you will also be getting all the kind of amenities that you need there. So we're moving forward right now. As you can see on the left hand side, I guess this is a big hotel. A lot of hotels on the beach side, as you can see it on the back side. They are all hotels, by the way. And as you can see, the parking doesn't end here. I guess I was wrong about the bike count, it's more than 500-600 by the way. This is actually a shopping mall by the way, so you can just go and do some shopping, and it's just beside the beach, as you can see. So kind of like what you can do is like you can do some shopping here, have some food and enjoy at the beach. So everything is there for you just beside the beach area in Kuta. Right over there you can see it's a big shopping mall. I guess that is the continuation of this particular shopping mall only. It's a big shopping mall. So we are moving forward. On the left hand side you can see there a place to have some juices from, and there is Alpha Mart, which is kind of like Circle K. Money exchange is also there, and some places to buy some food from, like nasi goreng and other foods as well. And again you can see on the road there are bike parkings which are lined up in a huge number. This time I won't be counting it because I can see that it doesn't end here soon. Again on the left hand side there is a beautiful place to dine at. So mainly the restaurants here are open kind of a system they have, like you can just watch the beach activities going, and you can just have food and drinks here. So it's a good concept by the way. It's not closed, it's all open for everyone to enjoy their food and also the atmosphere and the vibe here. And there are some marts also nearby, Mini Mart, Alpha Mart again, and there is another one is Indo Mart Point. So these are the places from where you can buy some necessary stuffs if it's needed. And on the beach side there are small stores, as I've already told you, from where you can buy some food from if you need. So this is what the Kuta beach looks like just after the sunset. Absolutely beautiful scenes. So I hope you all found this content informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, as I always tell you. You can check out all the videos of Kuta and the places where I have visited, like Garuda Vishnu Urvaru temple and also the Tanalot Tamanayu temple. It's all there in my Bali playlist itself. So do check them out if you need any more information on anything. And if you have any queries related to this video, do let me know in the comment section below. See you all again in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.